Hello, my name is young-reaves. I'll just be showing you a little bit of this functional testing. Alrighty. Well, first it says we need to. Oh, no, not this one. Where is it? Here it goes. Okay, basic recipe class, minimum ID, time, name, instruction list. Well, I kind of went, a little above and beyond, not really, but, I took a little bit of our web service, the things we learned from doing that, and came here, and of course, I have my little comment right there. Here are my instance variables, with the ID name, cook, time, instruction, load constructor with ID name and cook time, but the one I'll be using for this video is this one, just the ID and instruction as parameter. So what I did for adding an instruction well, I first created a connection method which connects to the database, and then I use a method within my add instruction. Then I cast my instruction, or I get the instruction, I cast it to a string variable. Then I create my insert SQL statement within a prepare statement. Then I insert that using, of course it's a recipe array. I insert that into the array, and I'll return that array after I clean it up. And once I do that, you can see how that works. This is previous code, or code that I haven't got to yet. Of course I have a few scanners and choice, enter 1 to create, 2 to delete, 3 to modify. So let's go 1. Let's go 1, enter instructions, bake for 30. And press enter. Connection success. Result 1. Instruction successfully inserted, and it exits. So if we come down here, I already have a previous one. Look, there we go. Successful insert. So for remove and modify, it's a little different. I can get back to this. Here's just a method where I tried to get all my recipes, but I didn't figure that one out. So, but it's okay. I was gonna do that so that the user knows like what ID to type in when they want to delete a row. Did the same thing, get my connection, but instead of the update, I did a delete statement, and it chooses the ID, or they type in the ID that they want to delete. Modify, kind of the same thing. They choose the ID that they want to update, and so forth. So let's just run this and see. So we have 1 and 2. So let's delete the second one. So type in 2. Alright, records delete successful. Let's see if it actually deleted. Yes, it deleted. So let's modify the first one since it's the only one we have. And let's see what that does. Let's do 1. Let's change that to take for 30 minutes. It's repeating this one. I'll change that later, but let's look, see what it does. Let's see if it changed it. Yes, it did. So we are in the game, and that is my recipe for add instruction, remove instruction, change instruction. I didn't know that we could have just done this in Java. I mean, not Java, but within Eclipse. I was going to try to do all my implementations with the database. That'll be something I'll try later on. But alright, my name is Young-Reaves. Everybody have a nice day.